up, y'all? It's your girl Emani Nicole, aka Crown with Curls, and today we got a little different video going on. As you can see, I got some straight backs that ain't really straight backs, they slant backs, but we're not gonna talk about it. So HERGIVENHAIR sent me a little Christmas gift. Cute packaging. The box is really cute. So I'm gonna just slide this off. Inside the box they gave me a frontal unit with a lace closure, and it looks like this. So super thick, y'all. She has body. My friend who's actually here today had her friend tweeze the part, so it looks super natural. Like my hand is just right here and it's giving mine. It's giving real. It's giving no lace. Also in the box they gave this little bag, super cute. This is a mistletoe. They got a little mistletoe right here. And then they gave me clip-ins to add highlights to the wig. So we're gonna experiment with that later. Right now, I'm gonna just introduce my friend who's going to be installing my wig. She, you know, does wigs, she does bomb makeup. So Lex, come on, girl.
Hey guys!
Look at the makeup, bomb.
I already told you guys I am going to be installing this wig. Like she said, the wig is actually like full like volume, and also like when I tell you like that lace is amazing.
They snapped.
Like, they really did. They really snapped on that. And shout out to Units by Lene. She actually plucked the part, so I appreciate you. I want to make sure I shout her out.
Yes, thank you so much.
Customizing the unit. So I guess we're gonna jump into the video.
Wait, plug yourself.
Oh, no. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at thatsoalexa with the A at the end. And then I guess you put in your description box or whatever.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. I'm so excited to do this. Like,
I'm hyped.
yeah, I know. It's gonna look really good because the lace is really like bomb. The lace is bomb.
It almost looks transparent.
It does.
All right, let's get into the video. We're gonna stop talking, so just watch. I didn't really get to record, you know, me wetting my hair and defining the curls. I did cut the unit just to give it some shape. I just went in with a leave-in conditioner that I had and some gel and a little bit of mousse at the roots. As y'all saw in the previous footage, my friend installed the unit for me. It was just a lace closure. The whole thing isn't lace, but she did put a cap on. She used the Got to Be Glued spray to secure it, so it's not going nowhere. This is the only part that is secured, natural part, as you can see. And I am obsessed, super in love. I gotta get used to the color because it is black and my hair is blonde. But other than that, I am in love, and I cannot wait to show y'all how I installed the clip-ins for some more style and just more highlights, like give it a highlight look. So now I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. And yeah, so stay tuned and I will show y'all the rest.